Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making vanilla oil based cake. So I'll be taking you through the ingredients one by one. One cup of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, baking powder, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 4 large eggs, 2 cups of flour, white vinegar that we'll be using to get our buttermilk, because we are going to use buttermilk for this recipe, vanilla flavor. So here is how to make your buttermilk at home from scratch. This is 1/2 cup of powdered milk. I'll be adding in 1 cup of water, just normal temperature water. So you mix the milk, the powdered milk and water together. Make sure there's no lumps inside. So you can see how thick it is. After mixing, you add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. So here is our buttermilk. We set that aside. So I'll be mixing in my 4 eggs, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of vegetable oil. I have to mix it very well so that the sugar will dissolve. After mixing, I'm putting in my dry ingredients, the 2 cups of flour, salt, and 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. So I'll sieve that in. Mix it together. So here is our buttermilk. See how thick it is? I'll add the buttermilk to it. So here is our mixture. Sorry guys, I don't know, I was not recording. I add 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. So I'll be lining my pan with vegetable oil and I'll dust it out with flour. So here is our batter going into the pan. I'll be using 2 6-inch pan for this recipe. So the batter is ready to go into the oven, and our cake is ready and out of the oven as it is hot. You allow it to cool down a little bit and dive in. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for the support. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification. Give us a thumbs up and comment down below. Let's get engaged there. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.